comrades, brothers and sisters, this is not the first time that we gathered here opposite the Israeli embassy to protest the heinous crimes committed against our Palestinian people, whether in Gaza or in the West Bank. These heinous crimes have been gone unpunished because of the hypocrisy of the Western democracies that are supporting Israel with the most sophisticated weaponry for innocent civilians and to preach us about democracy. The end result is a badge of dishonor on this international community that is still supporting the state of Israel and the state coalition against our innocent people. When does Israel have to understand that they will never make the Palestinians kneel down? When are they going to understand that occupation will never be sustained? When are they going to understand that we are people seeking our freedom and our self-determination? We are the democratic people and not Israel, because we believe in human rights. They preach every day human rights violations in our occupied territories. We tell Israel, if you want to live in peace, you have to end occupation, and we have to have our independent Palestinian state with East Jerusalem in our Israel thinks that they can stand us with its own machine. Barack Obama, I'm calling you from this podium. Stop your nonsense of preaching democracy and finding solutions to the Palestinian problem. Stop throwing machines. Stop calling us. Stop providing this apartheid regime that is so-called Israel in practicing all kinds of violence and in using all kinds of new weapons on innocent children and women in Gaza. What a shame! What a badge of dishonor to these international community that claim democracy, spearheaded by the United States. Let alone, we haven't seen any supportive statements coming from the UK government. They are putting the victim and the victimizer on equal footing. They're saying, Hamas, stop the rockets, but they forgot the timeline. The timeline, 12 years, Gaza has been under occupation, under blockade, under siege, with no food, no electricity, no water, no medicine, and still they are blaming us for resisting.
Ranan Arafat, Omar Mashwari, Issam Abu al-Mir, Mohammed al-Qasir, Hiba Mashwari Turk, Mahmoud Abu Sawina, Habis Masma, Wael al-Galbar, Rani Hamad, Khalid Abu Nasser, Marwan Abu al-Qassan, Walid Abadia, Hanin Tafish, Uda Jamal Nasser, Faris Basuni, Mohammed Iyad Sandala, Amyan Al-Abid Abu Wada, Tahrir Suleiman, Ismail Kandi, Yunus Kamil Tafish, Mohammed Suleiman, Amjad Abu Jalal, Hassan Al-Halma, Khaled Ash-Shaya, Ayman Salim, Ahmad Abu Masma, Mukhlis Udwan, Abdul Rahman Al-Misri, Mohammed Al-Luhi, Awad Al-Nahal, Ali Abdul Hakim Iman, Osama Abdul Jawad, Ashraf Darwish, Ahmad Al-Atrash. Let us mourn their loss now in silence. Thank you. No justice, no peace.